Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by locating every Python installation so removal is complete. Open a terminal or PowerShell and list interpreters: Python version, Python 3 version, and Pi-0 on Windows. Once done, make sure to back up your projects, virtual environments, and pip freeze outputs to a requirements. TXT so you can recreate environments. Also note exact installation paths shown by which Python or where Python on Windows. This prevents accidentally deleting system, Python, or tools that depend on it. You now remove the core installers and package managers. On Windows, uninstall via Settings apps or rerun the original installer and choose Uninstall. Also remove Pi Launcher if present. On Mac OS, remove /library/framework/Python. Framework and run brew uninstall Python if Homebrew installed it. On Linux, use your package manager. sudo apt remove Python 3. X or sudo dnf remove Python 3. Then purge residual packages. Make sure to also pip uninstall globally or with user for leftover packages so no orphan modules remain. Finish by cleaning residual files and verifying nothing is broken. Remove virtualan folders, pip cache // cache/pip, site packages in user directories, and config files in // config or %appdata%. Then edit path to remove Python entries and delete leftover symlinks or scripts with shebangs pointing to the removed interpreter. Once done, reboot and run which Python and Python version to confirm removal. Troubleshooting tip: if an app breaks, reinstall the specific Python version you removed or restore from your backup to recover quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.